So in this video, we're going to look at how you protect your windowsill areas on a timber frame with wood fibre insulation on the outside and cladding, protect them from rain ingress. So once you've got your wood fibre boards on, apply the Ampicol Primax primer and then the sill skin membrane to the entire sill, and that protects them and stops the rain from penetrating into the timber frame and the wood fibre. Next, you run the Compromax tape around the perimeter just before you install your windows. Next, take your windows, apply the Ampicol Fenax DS3070 to the entire perimeter, and you want one piece facing inwards and one piece facing outwards, as you can see there. And then install the window into the aperture, removing the backing tape and obviously applying to the timber frame on the inside and the wood fibre on the outside. So that gives you an airtight and weathertight seal all the way around the window. Next, install your breather membrane and around the window perimeters, apply more Ampicol Fenax to seal the two together to make sure that the openings are completely weatherproof. Then, once you're ready to install your sill, run a strip of the Compromax across the sill and pop the sills in. Make sure that you've got end caps on the sills, which allow you to seal against the sills effectively once you've got your cladding on. So batten and counterbatten the walls, install your cladding up to the edges of the reveals, and just before you put your reveal boards on, apply another strip of the Compromax tape to the end caps of the sills and around the perimeters of the windows, so that when you install your reveal boards, you've got a really good compression fitting between the reveal board and the window frame that is going to be weather tight.